Blues on Black, duet part, bass. Pattern 1, I see an E flat, followed by a B flat, followed by a D flat, and then an E flat. So first practice that using that fingering. Finger 5, expand your hand. Finger 3, finger 2, put that thumb on the black key. You ready? Do it with me. Now I'm going to move to the second pattern. I'm going to go to the left because in the score we have an octave sign, which means to play lower than what is written. Here I am on my E flat pattern. I'm now going to move down to A flat, middle black key, same fingering. Expand your hand to the E flat, and there are those two black keys together. Similar feeling. Let's do that together. E flat, G flat. Here's the vacation. I'm here, I move up one note. Now I have a B flat. I need the white F. This is the only white key. Then I move to A flat and B flat. Four times. Again, the pattern, the first one's the E flat pattern. The second one is the A flat pattern. Did you notice that the starting and ending note is the same? And now the B flat pattern. White key, only one. And the two outer notes are B flats. Now you could stick with just that much. And you could even do it with two hands. But the other part makes it fun. So here is the right hand. I'm doing a ledger line G with a D flat. I'll hold that for a minute. That's the G. That's the D flat. Here we go. These two notes are now going to move down a half a step. This white key becomes black. This black key becomes white. Notice the middle C right there. All right. And you could go back and forth between those. As many as you want. So the repeat is either however you want to feel. Okay, here comes the B flat one. You just did this one. You went to this one. Now comes the B flat one. I'm moving both over one whole step. This one's moving to the next black key. This one's moving to the next white key, right in between. All right, there's the A flat and D. I'm now going to do the 12-part blues at the bottom. 4 times. I'm now going to, I'll pause for a minute to get there. You're going to go down to the A flat and you're going to move down that half step. You do that only 2 times and right back to the E flat one. Now you go to the B flat one. This moves over here. Notice they went up a half step. Look at that. Now do the A flat one and back to the E. bridge. This is from the B flat position, octaves. Okay, without me talking. Pattern 12 bar blues.